Hello, I'm Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time. We are continuing the series Starting 501c3 Nonprofits 2023. We're on step number 3 of 20, which is write the vision. Vision is a broad and ambitious statement that describes the long-term differences your nonprofit will make in the communities served. Examples of vision statements include eliminate homelessness, close computer literacy gaps, create affordable housing, eliminate food deserts, and provide clean water. It's important for nonprofit professionals to think in broad and ambitious terms so that you can have something to strive toward as you complete the task of serving your community. So the vision is what you will use in order to do that. So in our case, to continue the theme that we've been using, our vision would be eliminate homelessness. So the third step of starting 501c3 nonprofit organizations is write the vision. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.